I started in Timberville for a guy that loved water treatment. He woke up every morning and loved coming to work. After I got licensed and was there a couple years, I saw an opportunity with the county, and I've been able to grow with the county. We're doing twice the amount of production than when I started. I'm Tim Harris, Treatment Operations Manager here at Rockingham County Public Works. This is our water treatment plant. We have 2 wells here at the water plant, one on each side of the filter room. Each well puts out 1,550 gallons per minute. We run about 18 hours a day, totaling about 3.5 million gallons a day. From the 2 well houses, it comes in here through this green pipe and separates to each skid, skid A and skid B. Each one of these skids do about 1,550 gallons a minute, and we have 78 filters across here. Clarity of water is measured in NTU, units of turbidity. And this is our raw water coming out of the ground here at 0.083 units of turbidity. That's within health department standard already before we start to treat it. So we're gonna run it through these filters and it's gonna come out 0.02 NTU. After the water is filtered, it's then sent to our clear well tank out here. Out in the system, the tanks are set. When they get down to a certain point, they call for water, and when that happens, our finished pumps start. And when the finished pumps cut on, they pull water here from the clear well tank. Our clear well holds 2 million gallons. We're putting out about 3,000 gallons a minute into the system at a time. Each day, an operator spends 8 hours here in the lab monitoring pH, turbidity, hardness, and alkalinity. We need to make sure we have fluoride in the water and chlorine, and all this equipment helps us do that. We have all of our pump stations being monitored, and our tanks as well, with the computer system that is kind of the nucleus of all the information right here. We can check our pressures and flows, and we can graph tank levels. When issues come up such as leaks or low water pressure, we're able to spot it and pinpoint it right away, and it's a really important tool for us. To do 3.5 million gallons of water treatment, you have about 2% waste, which comes to about 75,000 gallons a day. And this system here takes the chlorine out of the water so it doesn't harm wildlife. We get a sample once a day, take it into the lab and be sure there's no chlorine in this water, so we can release it back to the environment at a better quality than when we brought it in here. Thank you for letting me explain the process we use to provide the great quality water for the citizens of Rockingham County.